We left off on the last homework problem, so we'll cover that one in this separate video. So for this question, we've got some information on the demand and the supply for some Marvel Studios Blu-ray discs. Okay. We want to be able to find the equilibrium price first. So in order to do that, we're going to have to fill out the rest of our table. So it tells us for a price of $30, Tom would like to buy 7 movies, George would buy 14, and Lisa would buy 1. So altogether, we would add our 7 plus our 14 plus our 1, and that would give us a total of 22 movies that would be purchased. Okay. We're also assuming that these are the only 3 people that will buy movies in our example. In the real world, there's of course tons and tons of people, but we are just limiting it for our ease of calculation. So then if the price were to drop to $25 per disc, we would see that Tom would want 9, George would want 18, and Lisa would want 3. So now the 3 of them together would want 30 discs. Okay, again, that's following our law of demand that says when things get cheaper, we want to buy more of them. So we see when the price goes from $30 to $25, the amount purchased goes from 22 to 30. So it's following our law of demand. It's always good. Then when the price falls further to $20, Tom now wants 12, George wants 22, and Lisa wants 5. So we add those 3 numbers up together, and we get that there are a total of 39 movies wanted. Okay. When the price falls even further to $15, we see that now Tom wants 15 movies, George 26, and Lisa would like 6. So we add those 3 numbers again, and we get a total of 47 movies desired. Then when the price falls even further to $10, Tom would like to purchase 20, George would like to purchase 30, and Lisa would like 7. So altogether now we have a total of 57 wanted. Now to move over to our supply table. So when $30 is offered for each Blu-ray disc, Firm A would like to produce 68, Firm B would like to produce 20, and Firm C would like to produce 2. So altogether, that means they are offering 90 discs, if the market price were to be $30. If the price were $25, then Firm A would only want to provide 50, B would want to provide 12, and C would not produce any at all. So these 3 numbers added together brings us a total of 62 discs. So again, we see that the law of supply is being followed here. So as the price falls from $30 to $25, the amount provided falls as well. So they don't want to produce as many when the price is lower. Okay. When it falls even further to $20 per disc, A is willing to make 32, B is only willing to make 7, and C is still not wanting to produce any. So 32 and 7 gives us a total of 39 discs provided. Then when the price falls to $15, Firm A is willing to still produce 20, and both B and C don't want to make any. So they're the only firm producing, and that means the total market is producing 20 Blu-ray discs. Then when the price falls even further to $10, A is only willing to make 10, and B and C are still willing to make none, so the market as a whole is only willing to make 10. So we're again assuming that those are the only people willing to produce in the market at all. Okay. So now to look for equilibrium price. So the equilibrium price is the price where the quantity demanded is exactly equal to the quantity supplied. So when the price is $30, the amount desired for purchase is 22, and the amount produced is 90. So there's many more made than are wanted, so that must mean that the price is too high. So let's see what happened when we lower the price a little bit. So to $25, now we have 30 that are wanted to be purchased, and 62 are made. So again, we have many more made than people want, so the price must still be too high. So we go down to $20. Now there are 39 wanted, and at $20 there are 39 produced. So finally, at a price of $20, the amount made is exactly equal as the amount desired. So our equilibrium price is 20. If I were to keep looking at lower prices, I would see that more would be wanted than had been produced. So the second part of this question asks to look at a price ceiling, specifically one of $15 per disc. So a price ceiling is the legal maximum amount that can be charged. So they want to charge $20, but with the ceiling they can only charge $15 per disc. So they will charge that price because it's as close to their desired as they want. So at a price of $15, we need to look at the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied. So at a price of $15, we see that 47 would be wanted. And we need to also look at our quantity supplied. So again, at a price of 15, we would say that only 20 would be produced. So 47 are wanted, but only 20 are available. So since there's more that are wanted, we call this a shortage. Specifically, it is a shortage of how many people will go without. So 47 are wanted, 20 are made, leaving a shortage of 27 discs that are wanted but not made.